Hey, Justin Labato here, and I am at Professional Detailing Products here in Canton, Ohio, which is also known as PDP. And what I would like to show everybody is one of their new iron formulations known as their R300 Iron Wheel Gel. Now, this is an amazing product in regards to what it has to offer for the rims and wheel area of the vehicle in regards to decontamination for removing iron filings. But that's not just it. One of the biggest hits that this thing has to offer is that it is a no smell formula. That nasty sulfur smell that you would normally get from traditional iron products, they've been able to come up with a formula that does not have that. So when you spray it, you don't have to suffer from that nasty sulfur egg-like smell that you would normally get from an iron product. And it's a concentrated product, so it works very well, and it's pH balanced, so you get all the boxes checked in regards to the performance of the chemical itself, of course, from a reputable company such as PDP. So let me go ahead and show you how this works. Of course, on a rim like this that's contaminated with brake dust, you're gonna wanna go ahead and spray it thoroughly. The adjustment here. You're gonna get inside the barrel, and of course, for now, we'll just do the face of the barrel. And this formula, as it goes on, you'll see it start to have its color change characteristic to the actual iron as it touches the surface. Once you let it set and dwell for a few minutes, then you're going to want to agitate and rinse, or in some cases you could just move forward with rinsing in the light applications. As for heavy applications, you'll spray this, you'll agitate, then you'll rinse, and of course that will end up leaving you with a nice clean rim that you'll see here shortly once I do the rinse process. So one of the key characteristics that the R300 Iron Wheel Gel has is in the title itself. It's a wheel gel, so the viscosity of it is thick. That allows for a lot more cling action, a lot more dwell time, and it allows for that concentrated formula to actually activate its purpose by removing the iron filings and cleaning the rim thoroughly. And of course here I have not agitated, I'm just going to rinse it and show you how well it cleans just by spraying it and letting it dwell as it should with the formula and everything it has to offer. There's another quality product from PDP, which is the R300 Iron Wheel Gel. And the best part about it is, I don't have any type of sulfur smell. It is completely no scent formula. You gotta get your hands on this.